Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you a super cool money tracker that can help you keep track of your money. So first you're going to need a journal or any notebook. I have this rose gold journal from Kaizen. Next you're going to need a pen. I got this gel pen, but you can use any pen you like. Third, you're going to need a ruler for all the measurements and straight lines, obviously. Next, you'll need some highlighters. This is optional, but I do like highlighters for some detail. So I did all my measurements off camera so that I will be prepared for this video. We're gonna start by drawing one line in the middle of the page, so you can divide it into 2 weeks. I'll tell you what that means later. So I'm using a purple highlighter so that it will stand out more. Now I'm taking my gel pen and I'm going to draw out all the lines for the week. For the first section, you're gonna need 10 lines. 1 for the header and 7 for the weeks because there's 7 days in a week. And wait, that makes 8, right? Yeah, the last 2 is for, I'll show you later. So now I'm just drawing my lines. Now you're gonna draw 2 lines at the side to make these 2 columns. Oh my god, I smudged it. Never mind. Be sure to not get like super jelly pens so you won't smudge your paper. But yeah, you're gonna leave that small little column at the bottom empty. Now I'm just going ahead with a highlighter and I'm gonna decorate a title. Well, for titles, I made a video especially for decorative titles for your bullet journals, so be sure to check that out. It'll be linked down below. For those 2 columns, you're gonna name one in and the other one out. What this means is the money you receive and the money you use. The money you spend, basically. So yep, I got some fancy title going on. And next up, we are gonna be writing all the dates of the week. This is just an example, so I'm just writing the first week of October, 1 to 7. For the last 2 columns, you are gonna write 1 and 2. What this basically does is, so you can go ahead and add some dashes or hyphens, and now I'm gonna get a highlighter and just highlight all of the dates to make it look poppy? Yeah, pop, to make it pop. So now I am going to get a different colored pen and I'm gonna show you an example of how to use this chart thingy. So for example, on 3rd of October, Mark borrowed. So we're gonna write that in the description column on 3rd of October. Mark borrowed, for example, 70 pounds. So that means he borrowed, right? So we'll put that in the out column. There we go, a closer view. 70 pounds in the out column. And after that, 5th October, my boss gave me 100 pounds. So I'm writing boss gave in description as a short form. It's easy for me to understand. You can write whatever you want. And he gave me, so it's an in. I got 100 pounds. Now you can use a sticky note to overlap your paper if you have too much to write and the description isn't enough. So what I'm writing here is we are starting with, for example, let's say 200 pounds. Because that's the amount of money I have right now. So if I have that much money, Now we're just gonna write the last thing of the week. I spent, let's say, 10 pounds on food. 10 pounds on food. That means it goes in the out column because I spent money. 10 pounds of food. Now for the one section, you're basically gonna add up 70 and 10 because that's how much you spent this week. And do the same for in column. Now that you have both of them added up, it's easier to, find out the amount of money by the end of the week. So we're gonna get 200 pounds, which is my starting money, minus 80 pounds, which is how much I spent, and plus 100 pounds. After many attempts of solving this equation, I have figured out the answer! Just kidding, now write your answer in that column and that is your total for the week. Now I'm just doing the same thing for the next week, which is the bottom of the page. Just draw the same lines but without the header. Here is another money tracker spreadsheet. It's basically the same concept. I can't say if it's real or fake. Figure out if this is real or fake, guys. This is from August, a same spreadsheet, the same kind of concept. I said that twice, yep. So I'm just gonna flip the page. Here is a drawing, random drawing, and blank pages. So now I'm gonna show you what I have right now in my bullet journal. Of course it's not complete, but just what I have right now. This is my bullet journal title ideas video. You can watch that link down below. And next I have these Halloween doodles. This was for my Halloween series. You can also watch that on my channel. This is a random drawing I posted on Instagram. It's like a sketch kind of with pen. This is a totally random incomplete drawing. Please skip that. Yeah. Oh, this is my Inktober Day 18 bottle topic. Pretty cool, right? And here is what I just taught you, the spreadsheet. After that, I just drew this today actually. These are like two bunnies that I got inspired from a YouTuber called Christine. I'll link it down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you guys use these spreadsheets. If you guys decide to try these out, be sure to post it on Instagram and tag me at Nicktasticartworks. You guys make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I will be so happy. See you guys next time. Bye.